Hey, if you want to clip video on the YouTube, first of all, if for some reason you don't have right here this clip button under the video, it will be next to the likes. You will have to just change the view, so we can go for the mini player and click back to expand, and as you can see the clip button will appear. So now just click on this clip button with the left mouse button, and now from here you can pick the time range, so we can actually capture 60 seconds. There's the maximum length of the clip. Now we can also pick the time stamps. From here we can input the start and end time, but also we can manually pick wherever you want and adjust it with the left mouse button by holding and then dragging. Now from here we can also add the title and then tap to share a clip. I will have to actually put it in as a public. There's like no way to set it private. So now you will have to just wait, and it was clipped. So now we can just copy this link, open it in the new page, and as you can see, that's our clip that was made from the Marcus Brownlee channel, the video. So yeah, that's all. If you are looking for some other videos about the YouTube, just click on the description of this video and tap on the playlist below. And right now, please subscribe and see you in the next one.